Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about the tumbler gear mechanism in lathe. So these are the following topics we're going to discuss today. Introduction of tumbler gear mechanism, types of gear, parts of tumbler gear and working of tumbler gear. So first of all, introduction. The main purpose of the tumbler gear mechanism is to get automatic feed. Carriage can be moved automatically from headstock to tailstock and tailstock to headstock. The tumbler gear mechanism helps the carriage to move automatically with the help of feed rod. So here you can see the gear train. The gear train is a machine element of a mechanical system formed by a mounting gears on a frame so the teeth of the gear engage. Gear teeth are designed to ensure the pitch circles of engaging gears roll on each other without slipping, providing a smooth transmission of rotation from one gear to the next. So here you can see the gear train which are mounted one on the other. So there are different types of gear like straight bevel gear, straight spiral bevel gear, helical gear, internal gear, spur gear, worm gear, rack and pinion gear. So the gear which is used in tumbler gear mechanism is spur gear. So the parts of tumbler gear, spindle gear, tumbler gears, stud gear, intermediate gears, lead screw and feed rod gear are the parts of tumbler gear. So through here in this video, I am going to explain you about the working of tumbler gear mechanism using this video. Now I am going to explain you about the tumbler gear mechanism. So here you can see the tumbler gear mechanism. So this is a spindle rod which is connected to the chuck and it can be rotated with the help of the motor. And this is a tumbler gear, stud gear and intermediate gears, and this is a gear which is attached to lead rod and lead screw. So I now tell the working. So these spindle gear will always rotate in a anti-clockwise direction, and it contains a gear here which is not given here. So when it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, it is attached to the one more gear called tumbler gear. So that tumbler gear will start rotate in a clockwise direction. So this tumbler gear is attached to the one more gear called stud gear. This stud gear will start to rotate in a clockwise direction. So this will transmit the drive to the other gear called intermediate gears, which will start to rotate in a clockwise direction. So you can see there are three types of intermediate gears. So these three intermediate gears which have been given because to change the speed of the carriage while it is moving. So these intermediate gears are connected to the one more gear called lead screw and feed rod gear, which start to move in anti-clockwise direction and which helps the carriage to move from headstock to tailstock. So I'm going to tell you another gear in which there will be another tumbler gear given in this tumbler gear. So if you attach that tumbler gear to this spindle gear, the rotating in a clockwise direction so that the carriage can be moved from headstock to tailstock. Thank you. So there are two direction rotation of lead screw and feed rod. One is forward and reverse. In position 1, the lever M is in upward position. Now gear A connects spindle gear E and stud gear D. So the lead screw rotates in the same direction of the spindle. So here you can see it is rotating in the same direction of the spindle gear. In reverse, in position 2, the shift lever is in the horizontal position. Now E is connected to gear B, B is connected to gear A, and A is connected to D. So the lead screw rotates in the anti-clockwise direction to the spindle. It is rotating anti-clockwise direction to the spindle. Thank you.